Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Olivier Tambwe. I'm a master's student under the CIBER Research Group at the University of Cape Town. My study is an application of heap bioleaching to the desulfurization of coal mine wastes. "60 million tons of coal waste and discard are generated every year in South Africa. These wastes are an important environmental hazard as the exposure to natural oxidant may generate acid rock drainage. ARD treatment method focus on neutralizing the generated acidity and containing released metal ions using chemical agents. However, these techniques are very expensive and they require to be applied on a long-term basis. ARD prevention method restrict the access of oxidant to the sulfide-bearing mineral using cemented paste backfills or chemical coatings. Other methods remove the sulfide fraction from the mineral itself, directly addressing the problem root cause. Sulfur removal from coal using physical separation method is most suitable for fine coal waste due to its size, large surface area, and liberated state of sulfur-bearing minerals. Coal discards contain sulfide finely disseminated within the host rock and therefore require a chemical reaction for effective desulfurization to be achieved. Heap bioleaching, a technology typically used for metal extraction from low-grade ores, offers an easily implementable and cost-effective alternative to traditional ARD prevention methods. Although heap bioleaching requires long residence times, it avoids the high energy cost of stirring associated to tank leaching, thus constituting a suitable technique for the removal of paralytic sulfur from coal waste prior to disposal. In this study, proof-of-concept experiments were performed in laboratory-scale columns over 380 days to assess the feasibility of heap bioleaching as a sustainable disposal strategy for sulfur-bearing coal discard. Coal discard from Mpumalanga in South Africa containing 10% biomass pyritic sulfur were used. The iron and sulfur-rich leachate generated can potentially be repurposed to recover valuable products such as iron oxide or iron sulfate. The study's approach consisted of characterizing the coal discard and using laboratory packed column test to mimic conditions in a typical heap, and so demonstrate the proof of concept of coal discard desulfurization. 5 PVC columns, 36 cm high and 10 cm wide, were used for the leaching test. Each column was packed with 3 kg of representative blended fractions of agglomerated coal discards. Inoculation was performed during agglomeration at a concentration of 10 to the 12 cells per ton of ore using a mixed mesophilic culture containing equal fraction of iron and sulfur oxidizers. The columns were irrigated with either deionized water or acidified water at pH 1.5. 3 columns were inoculated and irrigated with acidified water, and 2 control columns were uninoculated and irrigated with deionized water and acidified water at pH 1.5. pH and redox potential results show signs of microbial activity in the control column irrigated with deionized water, indicating a strong acid-forming potential of the discards under natural weathering conditions. Results also show a steady rate of leaching in all other columns configuration. Significant desulfurization was achieved in all columns irrigated with acidified water, with sulfur extraction reaching up to 70%. Post-leaching characterization has shown that the samples were non-acid forming. Results obtained after 380 days of irrigation confirm that heat bioleaching is a viable technology that may be used for the efficient desulfurization of sulfur-bearing coal discards prior to their safe disposal or repurposing. Thank you for your attention. The financial assistance of the South African Water Research Commission, the Department of Science and Technology, and the National Research Foundation are gratefully acknowledged.